Do these 7 things for 60 days, and you'll be unrecognizable. 1. Manage your time. You're not overwhelmed, you're unorganized. Wake up earlier, create to-do list, set deadlines, and stick to your schedule. 2. Focus on one thing. Focus 100% on one thing, instead of doing 5 things with 20% focus each. 3. Make gradual improvements. You can't go to the level 10 with level 1 habits. Start by reading 1 page. Start by writing 1 paragraph. Start by doing 1 workout. Start today. Then focus on getting 1% better every day. 4. Look at things diagnostically. Instead of focusing on negative, ask yourself, what am I in control of? What can I do better? How can I improve things? A problem-solving mindset will help you move past roadblocks much faster. 5. Create a high-value network. Reduce time with people who hold you back. Increase time with those who can pull you forward. 6. Get into deep work. Your focus is currency. How you spend it is your biggest investment. Block off a few hours. Focus on one thing. Remove distractions. They'll get you ahead of 90% of people. And 7. Find your purpose. Without direction or a clear plan, it's hard to live a fulfilled life. Everything in life becomes easier once you find your purpose and get clarity on what's next.